Every day, countless items and goods travel across the globe. At the heart of this journey is KBX Logistics. Koch understands you trust KBX, not just with your cargo, but also with the data that moves with it.
So if you think about this series in terms of what Koch makes, everything Koch makes has to get to the consumer or user of that good, and that's what we're here for. The highest level, I always say, we're the third-party logistics company for Koch Industries. So we move freight for Guardian Glass, Georgia Pacific, and Vista. Basically, we provide some service to all of the Koch family of companies that transports goods. We operate on many continents, but largely we're North America and focus on export and import when it comes to international. We have an air business, an ocean business, freight forwarding, and then a very large ground transportation business. Origins change, destinations change, you get new customers, and we have to have the systems and agility to meet our customers where they are versus expect them to meet us where we are.
KBX's logistics network weaves together thousands of assets, people, and technologies into one cohesive system that seamlessly moves goods across continents.
It takes a lot of work to get that done, and that you've got to make sure and get the truck procured and that it shows up to pick up on time. And then you can track and trace that movement of that shipment from the time it leaves a warehouse or a plant facility until it gets to its destination. And that's very important because, we all have schedules. We need to know when trucks are coming in to be able to make sure I have the right staff in place to offload trailers and get that turn time going so the trailer's ready to go for another load again.
So when you go to the store to buy something that you need, whether it's as basic as toilet paper or maybe something that's more of a luxury item, like those products wouldn't be on the shelves without our trucks being there on time. We have a large fleet of trucks that are moving constantly. We're shipping thousands of loads per day. And the best way to be a steward of those assets is to keep freight moving on them at all times. A lot of freight gets moved on the rail network across the country for a lot of different businesses. So us having rail assets is critical to helping that run smoothly.
Every day is different. I mean, that's one thing about transportation. There's always something different going on. We have about 16,000 railcars, which is about 1% of the 1.6 million railcars in the U.S. fleet. It's basically, it could be going out and looking for cars for a customer. They have increasing production coming on or something like that, and they need more cars. It's going out and finding those cars, trying to find new customers to bring into the fold. Kind of just an idea of how big we are and the variety of products that we make. I mean, you look across all the Koch companies, it's not like we just ship one thing. We've got almost every kind of car type in our fleet just to manage the different businesses that Koch has.
One standout example of KBX's expertise is in handling project cargo. Each shipment is a unique challenge, met with tailored solutions that ensure safe and efficient delivery, regardless of size or complexity.
We design software that helps support our business operations. And then we have track, so any type of shipment, any type of load, that's where people can get tracking and tracing information. We also have applications where track is used through CRM technology like Salesforce so that our customer's customer can get access to where their load is. And the reason that's so important is that at any given time, manufacturing facilities might be in critical need of materials coming inbound, and so people on the floor at the factory can take a look and see where that truckload is. The work that we're in the middle of right now is innovating while we're maintaining the business, which is a lot like building a plane and trying to fly the plane at the same time. That doesn't come without drawbacks, but we use principles to help us navigate through those situations on a case-by-case basis.
Experimentation lies at the heart of what we do, and so once we identify something that we feel strongly in, we're not going to just go and take our word for it. We're going to go out in a data-driven way, set up a proof of concept or an experiment, and then go out and execute that, measure that, and then use our decision-making framework process here at Koch to make the right long-term decision. Hardly any logistics service organization has the technology team, the size and capability that we do, combined with the asset management. So it really is that one-stop shop around here, which, creates a great experience for our customers, being able to take care of a variety of problems through one provider versus going to many to achieve that same thing.
By continuously improving asset management and reducing emissions, KBX is setting new standards in stewardship for the logistics industry.
We've always been good at the back end and using data on the back end to drive decisions, but how we can better leverage it to drive efficiency and eliminate waste during the execution is what we're focused on now. We genuinely want the challenge. We're going through a lot of change. We're taking on new business. We're changing how we do business. We have digital transformation. Our customers are going through digital transformation. Our expectation is that they're challenging me, my team, their leaders, each other. It's not just something that, we do at the leadership level. They know what the work is.
As we look to the future, KBX Logistics remains committed to providing efficient and reliable transportation solutions. They're not just delivering goods, but finding ways to improve people's lives by using fewer resources to deliver the goods society needs.